Kukithi stepson kicks mom out the house. Fans of hit reality show Kukithi could hardly believe their eyes on Thursday night when Goodwin's dispute with his stepmother exploded on screens. The pair are fighting over his late father's house and Ma's right to live there. He argued that Ma had left his dad and only returned after the death to come claim the house. Goodwin doesn't want Ma in the house and apparently even chased her with a knife. He also accused him of forging his father's signatures on documents. Goodwin said he would give up the house if they bought it off him. Fans of the show were shocked at his attitude and flooded social media with comments and messages slamming him.